Welcome to General Knowledge Quiz, Tips and Tricks channel. Let's start with the quiz number 7, that will help you gain knowledge. Let's see if you answer all correct, then you are a genius. Comment below and let us know how many answers you got it right. Question 1. Which country holds the most Guinness World Records? And the options are: Option 1, USA. Option 2, China. Option 3, Russia. Or, Option 4, Australia. The correct answer is Option 1, USA. Question 2. What do Goans present to each other during the Sao Joao festivities? Here are your options. Option 1, fish. Option 2, beer. Option 3, fruits. Or, Option 4, flowers. Answer is Option 3, fruits. Question 3. Which salt is used as a raw material for making a large number of useful chemicals in industry? And the options are: Option 1, sodium chloride. Option 2, ammonium chloride. Option 3, sodium nitrate. Or, Option 4, ammonium hydroxide. The correct answer is Option 1, sodium chloride. Next question. Question 4. The Act was passed to consolidate the provisions of the preceding Government of India Acts. Here are your options. Option 1, Government of India Act, 1858. Option 2, Government of India Act, 1861. Option 3, Government of India Act, 1915. Or, Option 4, Government of India Act, 1892. Answer is Option 3, Government of India Act, 1915. Question 5. Sun surface temperature is around? And the options are: Option 1, 4,500 degrees Celsius. Option 2, 5,505 degrees Celsius. Option 3, 5,700 degrees Celsius. Or, Option 4, 6,000 degrees Celsius. The correct answer is Option 2, 5,505 degrees Celsius. Question 6. Padma Vibhushan E.Sreedharan recently resigned as the principal advisor to which of the Metro Corporation? Here are your options. Option 1, KMRC. Option 2, MMRC. Option 3, DMRC. Or, Option 4, LMRC. Answer is option 4, LMRC. Next question. Question 7. Unix was developed by, and the options are option 1, Ken Thompson, option 2, Bill Gates, option 3, Steve Jobs, or option 4, Daniel E.K. The correct answer is option 1, Ken Thompson. Next question. Question 8. What is the full form of LAN in computer language? Here are your options. Option 1, Line Area Network. Option 2, Local Area Network. Option 3, Linear Area Network. Or, option 4, Local Advanced Network. Answer is option 2, Local Area Network. Next. Question 9. Who invented Param 8000? And the options are option 1, Dr. Jayant Narlikar. Option 2, Raghunath Anant Mashalkar. Option 3, VJP Bhatkar. Or, option 4, Dr. Sartaj Sani. The correct answer is option 3, VJP Bhatkar. Next question. Question 10. Which country is the second largest producer of coffee in the world? Here are your options. Option 1, Vietnam. Option 2, Ghana. Option 3, India. Or, option 4, Indonesia. Answer is option 1, Vietnam. Next. Question 11. Which of the following was India's first mapping satellite? And the options are option 1, INSAT-IA. Option 2, Bhaskara 2. Option 3, Aryabhata. Or, option 4, Cartosat 1. The correct answer is option 4, Cartosat 1. Next question. Question 12. Who is the leading importer of cement in the world? Here are your options. Option 1, Russia. Option 2, India. Option 3, United States of America. Or, option 4, United Arab Emirates. Answer is option 3, United States of America. Question 13. When was the first women's university established in India? And the options are option 1, 1916. Option 2, 1914. Option 3, 1915. Or, Option 4, 1920. The correct answer is Option 1, year 1916. Next. Question 14. The Pune Pact was signed between? Here are your options. Option 1, Gandhiji and Lord Mountbatten. Option 2, Gandhiji and Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar. Option 3, Gandhiji and Subhash Chandra Bose. Or, Option 4, Gandhiji and Jawaharlal Nehru. Answer is Option 2, Gandhiji and Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar. Question 15. Which Hindi film won the National Award 2019? And the options are: Option 1, Kesari. Option 2, Gully Boy. Option 3, War. Or Option 4, Andaduan. The correct answer is Option 4, Andaduan. Thanks for watching our channel. We will bring more educational videos soon, so please subscribe to our channel for notifications and share with your family and friends.